Hi everybody, happy Tech Tip Tuesday. Melissa O'Connell here, your Lexus technology specialist at Northside and Westside Lexus in Houston, Texas. Today we're going to do a super quick tutorial about how to open the doors on vehicles with digital latch if the battery has lost power on your Lexus. You may have already seen my Tech Tip Tuesday about how to get into your Lexus when the battery on your key fob or the battery in the vehicle have died. But I also want you to know how to get out of your Lexus that has the electronic door handle if the vehicle has lost power. Normally, of course, to exit the vehicle, you just press on the door handle and then push the door open. One smooth, easy motion. But without power, that digital latch won't operate. So when I press that door handle and nothing happens because there's no power to the vehicle, I need to use the manual lever to open the door. So I'm going to just pull the lever toward me. You may actually hear that latch release right away, and you can press the door open. If the latch doesn't fully release, go ahead and just pull the lever toward you a second time. Then press the door to open and exit your vehicle. Lexus models with digital latch have the same door handle operation on all 4 passenger doors. Stay safe out there, everybody. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.